Are you ready to embark on new adventures this year? Well, before you take off, I've got a list of travel essentials that you absolutely cannot leave home without. These are not just any essentials, but the best travel essentials you can find on Amazon for a fraction of the cost as in stores. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're fully equipped for your upcoming journeys. Number 1 travel essential, the all-in-one travel adapter. You know what's frustrating? Arriving at a destination and realizing your charger doesn't fit the wall socket. Don't let that happen to you. The all-in-one travel adapter is an absolute must-have for any globetrotter. This little device will save you from the headache of carrying multiple adapters or worrying about compatibility issues. It's compact, lightweight, and compatible with outlets worldwide. Whether you're exploring the ancient streets of Rome or marveling at the skyscrapers of Tokyo, this travel adapter will ensure that your devices stay powered up. For budget-conscious travelers, a great option is the JARVANIA Universal Power Adapter. It offers worldwide compatibility, 4 USB ports, and a handy carrying case. You can find it on Amazon for around $20 to $25. Number 2 travel essential, portable power bank. We all know how important our smartphones are when we're traveling. There are cameras, navigation systems, and lifelines to the world. But what happens when you're out exploring all day and your battery hits rock bottom? Enter the portable power bank. This nifty gadget ensures that you never run out of juice when you need it the most. Just plug in your phone, tablet, or any USB-powered device, and you're good to go. With a high-capacity power bank, you can stay connected and capture all those precious memories without worrying about finding an outlet. A popular and affordable choice is the Anker Power Core 10000. It offers multiple chargers for most smartphones, a compact design, and fast charging technology. You can find it on Amazon for around $20 to $30, depending on the model. Number 3 travel essential, compact travel pillow. Long flights or train rides can be exhausting, but a good travel pillow can turn them from sleepless ordeals to peaceful slumbers. That's why a compact travel pillow is an essential item for your packing list. This innovative pillow is not only comfortable but also incredibly portable. It can be easily compressed into a small pouch, allowing you to save space in your luggage. Whether you're on a long-haul flight or taking a nap on a train, this pillow will provide the support you need for a restful journey. A budget-friendly option is the MLVOC travel pillow. It features a soft, ergonomic design and a built-in adjustable buckle. This pillow is made of memory foam, providing excellent neck and head support. You can find it on Amazon for around $20 to $25. Number 4 travel essential, lightweight packable day pack. Picture this: you're exploring a vibrant city, and suddenly you stumble upon a local market filled with treasures. You want to buy souvenirs, snacks, and maybe even a new outfit. But where do you put all these goodies without lugging around your heavy backpack? That's where a lightweight packable day pack comes to the rescue. This convenient bag folds into a small pouch, making it easy to carry when not in use. When you need extra storage space, simply unfold it, and voila! You have a spacious day pack to hold all your newfound treasures. One of the top picks for a budget-friendly packable day pack is the Venture Pal Lightweight Packable Backpack. It is made of durable, water-resistant nylon and features multiple compartments and a capacity of 35 liters. This versatile day pack can be found on Amazon for around $20 to $30. Number 5 travel essential, smart luggage lock. Safety should always be a top priority when traveling. That's why a smart luggage lock is a game changer. This high-tech gadget not only keeps your belongings secure but also adds a touch of convenience. With a smart lock, you can say goodbye to forgotten combinations and fumbling with keys. Simply use your smartphone to lock and unlock your suitcase with ease. Some models even offer additional features like location tracking, so you can always keep an eye on your bag's whereabouts. For a budget-friendly smart luggage lock, consider the Taurus TSA lock with search alert. This lock is approved by the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, and allows for hassle-free inspections. It also has a built-in indicator that changes color to let you know if your bag has been opened. You can find it on Amazon for around $15 to $20. And there you have it, my fellow travel enthusiasts. The top 5 travel essentials you should pack with you for your adventures in 2023. These Amazon travel essentials will make your journeys smoother, more enjoyable, and stress-free. But remember, always adapt your essentials based on your personal needs and the nature of your trip. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, so you can get notified when we post our latest travel tips videos. And hey, don't forget to comment below and let us know if you've been to any of these places and what you thought of them. Safe travels, and until next time.